You're a guitar instructor and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services. You've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your guitar instruction services. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, guitar instructor. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Right, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business to generate a simple website for us. Pop in your city and your state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once Mighty Sites generates a simple website for your guitar instruction business, it will bring up this little pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to close that off because today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the ropes. The beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images showing your students some guitar tricks, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You don't need to know any website coding to make amendments to your Mighty Sites website. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. It's super simple. You don't even need to be that tech savvy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers and students. So let's go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Phone number, that is click to call. An address, maybe you are mobile, but if you have an address, physical location, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken to Google Maps. And update social links, put in all the various social media platform links that your business is active on. You'll have the social icons displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on this pencil to make minor edits. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for your Mighty Sites websites, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make amendments to make it a bit more personalized, click on update section. And update content, you can make it, put in content about your business, let your students know a little bit of your background and how you got into the industry, your love for guitar. And update action is where you can change that button text on the call to action buttons, as well as where the link, buttons link to. You can even link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings through an app, or you can upload a PDF file, maybe with your different rates and pricing points for your services. And update images is where you can browse your device to upload your images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you. If you have a custom domain for your business, click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain, we recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your guitar instruction business. And I'm really wishing you and your business, Mighty, success.